Okay, the last time I called about the water was on the 12th, and I was at like 10. Um, it wasn't flushing. He said it was something. Paul said there was something wrong with the water pressure, and that's weird. I ain't think nothing of it, but I didn't call them because I didn't say nothing to them about fixing it or anything, because when I came back from the grocery store, my towels was all messed up. His maintenance left them that way. And then all of a sudden, they was playing with that, playing with this water. That's my thoughts. But all of a sudden now, it flushed all of a sudden. It was working. After that, and I'm like, alright. That just some other nonsense that they do, but it is what it is. People crazy in this building. So if you ask me, a good majority of them.